for fast, reliable networks is escalating, with millions of people working from home. The urgent need for increased cleaning everywhere has caused an isopropyl alcohol shortage. So what's the best cleaning method for network installers to use when IPA is in short supply? For fiber optic installation and maintenance, Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector Cleaner performs better than IPA when you need to clean virtually any fiber optic connector in any configuration and location. Consider that leading fiber industry organizations like INIMI, IPC, and BICSI recommend wet-dry cleaning as the most effective method for cleaning fiber end faces. IPA is a traditional choice, but does not come in high-purity packaging, making it difficult to keep clean and uncontaminated during day-to-day operations. Instead, specify a high-purity optical-grade cleaning fluid for best results. With our focus on safety, Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector Cleaner is engineered to be non-flammable, safer to use, and rated non-hazardous, non-regulated for storage and transport. This static dissipative fluid dries 8 times faster than IPA for a quicker cleaning process. Plus, it deflects dust and leaves no residue. Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector Cleaner is packaged in a hermetically sealed dispenser that protects the fluid from contamination. It's spill-proof if the dispenser tips over, so your environment stays cleaner with less fluid waste. Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector Cleaner readily outperforms alcohol and enhances the cleaning efficiency of any wipe, swab, or cleaning tool you use.